Pretty much closing for the first half of the year. Very, very exciting day today. I think my main takeaways are it's a great time to be alive. It's a great time to be building new businesses. And we're going to see so many new and exciting businesses come to life because there's so much talent around. There's so many people that are taking the opportunity and using that disruption to their advantage. So I'm very, very excited and full of energy.
Thanks, Christoph. And same takeaway on my side. A fantastic day, great opportunity to meet so many new ventures. We had a lovely workshop at the beginning of the day. And again, there, same topic. It's about talents and it's about people, how to incentivize them, how to keep them in the business and keep it growing with fantastic people and building a business. So great day so far.
It's been a great day here in Berlin at the Antler Portfolio Day. I mean, there's so much energy and wow, so much intellectual curiosity, so many initiatives that I can see in the companies that was presented today. So I just have to say congratulations. I think you guys are off to a great start and I look forward to follow the many companies I saw today in the years ahead.
Pitching the company in front of some of the top investors that will shape our future in the next years with their investments is actually quite amazing. And also seeing what all the portfolio companies that Antler backed in the last months and years have developed already and will develop, just incredible.
It was a very impressive day. There were very interesting people around. The solutions they offer, they are very strong, and I believe we will hear from a couple of these founders going forward. It's very exciting to see what kind of solutions they have for our day-to-day problems.